QuickBooks Error 6143. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Open a sample file locally installed on a workstation. Step 1. First, open QuickBooks Desktop in one of the workstations. Step 2. Select Open a sample file in the No Company Open window. Step 3. You can open a sample product-based business or a sample service-based business. Step 4. When you get the Open Sample Company file pop-up, click Yes to proceed. Step 5. Select the folder to save the sample company file and click on Save. Step 6. If the file opens, try to open the file in your local workstation. Solution 2. Configure firewall ports and set up exception for QuickBooks. Step 1. Click on the search button and type firewall. Step 2. From the result, open Windows Defender Firewall with the Advanced Security app. Step 3. Go to Advanced Settings and select Inbound Rule. Step 4. Now, check if it has blocked QuickBooks, then click on New Rule. Step 5. Choose Port, then click on Next. Step 6. Make sure that TCP is selected and then select specific local ports. Step 7. In the specific local ports field, enter the TCP port number of QuickBooks, then click Next. Step 8. Next, select Allow the connection, then click Next. Step 9. Then select the next option depending on the network you're connected to, then click Next. Step 10. Name this new rule, then click on Finish. Step 11. Next, select Outbound Rule and repeat the same steps as you did with Inbound Rule. Step 12. Close the window and click on the Windows Start menu. Step 13. Enter Windows Firewall in the search bar and open it. Step 14. Go to Advanced Settings, select Inbound Rule and then New Rule. Step 15. Now, select Program and then Next. Step 16. Select this program path and then click Browse. Step 17. Find and select QuickBooks executable files, then click Next. Step 18. Select Allow the connection and then click Next. Step 19. If prompted, make sure that all profiles are marked and click Next. Step 20. Create a rule, name it, and then click on Finish. Step 21. Now, repeat the same steps for outbound rules. Solution 3. Rename the .nd and .tlg files. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and open File Explorer. Step 2. Open the folder where the company file is stored. Step 3. Find the files with the same name as your company files but with .nd and .tlg files. Step 4. Right-click on each file and select Rename, then add Old at the end of each file. Step 5. Open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.